Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Shin Ramen egg soufflé. First, gather your ingredients: 1 packet of Shin Ramen, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of water. Next, prepare your ramen noodles and seasoning packet according to the package instructions. While the ramen cooks, whisk 2 eggs vigorously in a small bowl until they become light and frothy. This preparation ensures a perfect, airy soufflé texture. Now for the magic. Once your ramen is boiling, slowly pour the whisked eggs into the pot in a circular motion. It's crucial not to stir immediately. Let the eggs set for about 30 seconds to form a stable base. Then, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center. This technique helps create that wonderful, fluffy soufflé texture we're aiming for. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the egg is fully cooked through. This short cooking time helps maintain the soufflé's delicate texture. Now, it's time to personalize. Feel free to add any desired toppings such as fresh green onions, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, or even a slice of cheese for extra creaminess. Serve your delicious Shin Ramen egg soufflé immediately and enjoy. And there you have it, a comforting and incredibly easy-to-make Shin Ramen egg soufflé, ready to be savored. This simple addition transforms your instant ramen into a rich, creamy, and satisfying meal that feels gourmet. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a cozy dinner. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some little trees black ice. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.